Listen carefully. Take your notebook and pen. Do not pause this video. If your English listening is weak and your writing is slow, this 30-day challenge can change you. Watch daily. Listen carefully. Write in your notebook. After 30 days, you will see improvement in yourself. Now, let's start the story. My name is Anna. I am a young woman. I live in a small house with my family. Every day, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. I feel fresh and calm. First, I make my bed. Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. I wash my face with cold water. After that, I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I say, "Today will be a good day." Then I go to the kitchen. I drink 1 glass of warm water. It is good for my health. I help my mother in the kitchen. We make breakfast together. Usually we eat bread, eggs, and fruit. While eating breakfast, I do not use my phone. I talk with my family. We share small things about our day. At 8 o'clock, I get ready for my work. I wear simple and clean clothes. I tie my hair neatly. Before leaving the house, I check my bag. My notebook is inside. My pen is inside. I leave my house at 8:30. I walk to the bus stop. The morning air is cool and fresh. On the bus, I sit near the window. I see people, shops, and trees. Sometimes I listen to English audio. Sometimes I read simple English sentences. I reach my office at 9 o'clock. I greet my coworkers with a smile. I start my work calmly. I work on my computer. I check emails. I write small notes. At 1 o'clock, it is lunchtime. I eat my lunch slowly. I do not rush. After lunch, I take a short walk. It helps my body and mind. In the afternoon, I finish my work tasks. If I make a mistake, I do not feel sad. I learn from it. At 5 o'clock, I leave the office. I feel tired but happy. I come back home at 6 o'clock. I change my clothes. I wash my hands and face. Then I rest for some time. I drink tea. I sit quietly. In the evening, I practice English for 30 minutes. I listen carefully. I write what I hear. I make mistakes, but I continue. I know practice is important. After that, I help my family again. We make dinner together. At 8 o'clock, we eat dinner. We talk and laugh. After dinner, I clean my room. I prepare my bag for the next day. Before sleeping, I write in my notebook. I write what I learned today. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I close my eyes. I feel thankful. This is my daily routine. Simple life, good habits, small steps every day. Now write what you heard. Do not worry about mistakes. Just write. Writing will make you better. Practice will make you confident. Don't forget to like and subscribe.